Making an eating regimen graph for PCOD, Polycystic Ovary Disorder, requires an equilibrium of supplements to oversee side effects and advance weight reduction. Here is a general layout. 1. High fiber foods integrate a lot of organic products, vegetables, and entire grains to manage glucose levels and advance satiety. 2. Lean protein sources incorporate lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, tofu, and vegetables to help muscle well-being and control hunger. 3. Healthy fats decide on sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil to help hormonal equilibrium and decrease aggravation. 4. Low-glycemic file, ghee, foods pick carbs that are low in sugar and deliver energy gradually, like yams, quinoa, and oats, to balance out glucose levels. 5. Limit handled foods limit admission of handled food sources, sweet tidbits, and refined sugars, as they can compound insulin opposition. 6. Watch segment sizes. Focus on segment sizes to oversee calorie admission and backing weight reduction. Objectives. 7. Remain hydrated. Drink a lot of water over the course of the day to help digestion and generally well-being. 8. Customary meals. Go for the gold feasts to forestall glucose spikes and advance hormonal equilibrium. It's fundamental to talk with a medical care proficient or an enlisted dietitian to tailor an eating regimen plan explicitly for your singular requirements and well-being objectives. They can give customized direction in view of your clinical history, current well-being status, and way of life.